Hey guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day because I'm having a great day over here at T Farm, and I have a model home that we're in the process. Things are coming along great. Should be opening maybe 2 more weeks, 2 to 3 weeks maybe. But I just want to take a minute and share this floor plan with you. It is our Palmetto floor plan, and it has the 3 bedrooms and 3 bath. And so come on inside and I'm going to show you around. All right, here we are. This is our villas. So that's more like a duplex. So you have one on each side. Both always have an end unit. There's no middle units, which is awesome. It has a 1-car garage and a cute little porch. Gonna go ahead and step inside. And here to the left is a study, or it could also be a bedroom, but the way we are doing the model home now is to make it as a study office area. All right, here to the right is the garage. To the left is a linen closet and a secondary bathroom. I know it's a little bit dark. We'll be getting our electricity here soon. All right, here is the main living space. Kind of like an off-white grayish kind of cabinet with the black fixtures and black sink. I just love it. Having your little pantry doors here. We are electric community. I know I've mentioned that before. Love the countertop. It just has like this gray little veins through it. Family room is right here. Good sized family room. You can put a little kitchenette over to the left-hand side there too, if you like. Also the countertop, you have the extra space on it where you can put some bar stools. Gonna go around the corner here, and here's the primary bedroom. Good size room. Easily put a king size or a queen size bed in here. Primary bathroom, double sinks, walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet, along with a linen closet as well. All right, so this here can be as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, or it can be a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. So this particular one has a 3rd bedroom, so we're gonna head upstairs. All right, so upstairs here we have a loft, and there is a full-size door to go into the attic storage space. The bathroom up here is 1 sink, full-size tub and shower, and the commode. I'm gonna walk over here, and this is a full-size huge bedroom up here for the 3rd bedroom. Great space. And it also has a closet. Great closet space. Well, that sums up my tour of this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath villa over here at T Farm. And if you're interested, just please give me a call, send me a text. You can message me here, send me a DM, however, whatever's more convenient for you, but just reach out. I'd love to show you around this community and show you what we have to offer here at T Farm in Ravenel. I am Nancy Walsh, Community Sales Manager with Ashton Woods. I look forward to talking with you and helping you. Bye.